because he has to escape himself from loneliness. No one was there at that particular place where the persons, they were not knowing Assyrian language. They were not able to understand Assyrian language. So that's why John Byro, being a farmer, now he has to learn the language of Armenia. Okay, that is known as Armenian language. My mother brought the lonely visitor coffee and tobacco. Once again, I am repeating the line. My mother, here it is given a student. My mother brought the lonely visitor coffee, mean only for John Byro, and tobacco also with the coffee. Who brought? My mother. Who is here? My sense of my is Aram's mother. She has come here in the welcome of the guest, Mr. John Byro. Okay, and he rolled a secret. He for farmer John Byro. He rolled a secret and sipped and smoked. He was sipping the coffee and started to smoke also. And when at last, sighing sadly, he was getting a deep breath of relaxation and somehow sad expression, with sad expression, he said. What he said? He for whom here student, किसके लिए ही आया हुआ है बेटा? He is used for whom? Can you guess, student? John Byro or Uncle Khosrow? For whom? Here he is said. He said. Are you getting my voice, student?
Yes,
Hmm.
sir.
For whom he is used here, बेटा? He किसके लिए आया हुआ स्टेटमेंट में? Farmer John Byro. Okay. He said. उसने कहा क्या कहा? My white horse, which was stolen last month, is still gone. I cannot understand it. He is sharing his feeling. He is sharing his problem before them. He is saying that I have lost my white horse before some weeks, and up to now I could not able to find out my horse, and I am not able to understand where has it gone. कहाँ चला गया अभी तक मुझे समझ में नहीं आता. Then what happened in the next line? Up to here student we had completed in our previous class also. Now we have to get start from here. My uncle Khosrow became very irritated. As already student, the narrator has informed to you in previous paras also, in the starting of the second para also, that his uncle Murad's uncle Khosrow, he was somehow short tempered type of person, and that's why he is feeling here irritation. Why? Because of response of John Byro, and he is here it is given a student, he shouted, it's no harm. That was his pet statement. Already I have told you. He used to say no harm. And one event, not event, that was accident, which took place in Khosrow's life when his son went to inform him when he was in the men's parlor. He informed to Khosrow that father, our home is set fire. Then what he responded? He responded that it's no harm. There also, even barber, he tried to make him understand, but once he shouted over him and make him to stop to discuss over the matter. So in this way, student, already we are knowing that Mr. Khosrow, he was a short-tempered person, and by his roar he was able to make stop anyone's talking. And in the irritation mood he is saying that it's no harm. If you have lost your horse, it doesn't matter. Then what is the loss of horse? He is saying, haven't we all lost the homeland? Don't you know, Mr. Byro? Only you have lost your horse. Even we lost our homeland, our motherland. Don't you know? So your loss of horse, it doesn't matter. So what is this crying over a horse? What is this crying over a horse? Overall discussion was going on related to horse in the home. So that may be all right for you, a city dweller. That may be all right for you, city dweller, to say, John Byro said, but what of my sorry? भाई अंकल खोसरोव ने कहा कि तुम तो शहर के निवासी हो, इससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? But John Byro is saying that, but what of my sorry? मेरे रथ का क्या होगा? मेरे इक्के का क्या होगा? Sorry mean a carriage which is drawn by the horses. रथ आप कह सकते हो. What good is a surrey without a horse? Khosrow is saying, not sorry, farmer is saying, what good is a surrey without horse? Mean without horse, what's use of that particular carriage? क्या करूंगा मैं उस रथ का बिना घोड़े के? Then pay no attention to it, my uncle Khosrow roared. He once again shouted that. What he said, pay no attention to it. मैंने पहले से बताया था बेटा, उनका एक ये जिसको हम तकिया कलाम भी कह सकते हैं, पेट स्टेटमेंट था. क्या? पे नो अटेंशन टू इट, इट डजंट मैटर, इट्स नो हार्म. कुछ ऐसे स्टेटमेंट थे जो उनके पेट थे. सो माय अंकल खोसरो रोड वंस अगेन दैट पे नो अटेंशन इट. आई वॉक 10 miles to get here, John Byro said. I will have to walk on foot as I have lost my horse. That is problem before me. Then Uncle Khosrow is saying that you have legs. भाई तुम्हारे पास तो पैर हैं. My Uncle Khosrow shouted. Then student, now let's focus for further here in the next page. What is there? What response was given by Uncle Khosrow to the farmer John Byro? Then John Byro is saying that my left leg pains me. The farmer said. Who is farmer here, beta? Who is farmer? John Byro. Good. He is saying that my left leg pains me. मेरे बाएं पाँव में दर्द होता है. Pay no attention to it. My uncle Khosrow road. फिर से वही अंकल की वही अदा वही बात. Pay no attention to it. ध्यान मत दो इन सब चीजों पर. That horse cost me $60. The farmer said. भाई वो $60 की वैल्यू रखता था वो घोड़ा मेरे लिए. Farmer is saying, I spit on money. My uncle Khosrow said. How he is saying, I spit on money. मैं तो पैसे पे थूकता हूँ. Mean that is no use for me, especially money. Uncle is responding here. How negative here, student. He got up and stalked out of the house. Mean he moved away from the house. Stalked out mean moved out from the house and slamming the screen door. Hardly he pushed the door and went out from the room, from the parlor. Then what happened here, student? My mother explained what my mother was explaining to John Byro. He has a gentle heart, she said. Mean only by outer side. Uncle Khosrow is somehow strict, like crushed, but from inner side, he is very polite. Here the sense, according to my mother. It's simply that he is homesick and such a large man, having a great personality. He is homesick person. Homesick person means the person who miss his home or motherland. He always faced the loneliness in his life. That's why he is responding somehow negatively. Okay? भाई उन्होंने पहले ही कहा कि लोग तो अपना घर द्वार छोड़ के चले जाते हैं, होमलैंड छोड़ देते हैं, तुम्हारा तो घोड़ा है सिर्फ. So that problem was being faced by Mr. Khosrow, and that's why he is here saying that it doesn't matter, it's no problem. Okay, $60, I spit on it in the negative way. So here mother is explaining about the reason why he is responding in negative way. Then a student here, homesick is the person who is missing for his home or loneliness also you can say. And such a large man, personality was really that was of huge personality of Mr. Khosrow. Then the farmer went away and I ran over to my cousin Murad's house. John Byro तो चले गए, but I ran fast towards my cousin Murad. Why? To inform him this news, to convey this news to him. He was sitting under the peach tree. Do you know, beta, what is peach? What is peach, student? Do you know? Peach, आड़ू, जिसको हम सतालू भी बोलते हैं. आड़ू और सतालू. Have you eaten ever? Any time, student? कभी आपने खाया है peach? नहीं खाया है?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा ठीक, बहुत अच्छी बात है. Something like its color as an apple and its shape is something like apple, but its size is 1/4 of an apple, near about. साइज में छोटा होता है, बट एप्पल के जैसा कलर लिया हुआ, दैट इज हेयर आड़ू और सतालू और पीच. ओके, so he was sitting under a tree, peach tree, then trying to repair the hurt wings of a young robin which could not fly. Robin, that is a bird. रॉबिन एक ब्लू कलर का एक पंछी होता है. रॉबिन, जिसको हम रॉबिन कलर भी बोलते हैं, रॉबिन कलर का एक पंछी होता है जिसके सामने, पेट के सामने रेड कलर होता है, बट अनदर पार्ट ऑफ बॉडी टोटली ऑफ डार्क रॉबिन कलर, डार्क ब्लू कलर, somehow vibrant color, that is not only blue. So he was not able to fly. वो रॉबिन पंछी उड़ नहीं सकता था. So that's why he was repairing hurt wing of that robin which could not fly. He was talking to the bird. What is it? He said. He for whom? He किसके लिए आया बेटा? Here he किसके लिए यूज हुआ? He said. What is it? उसने कहा कि ये क्या है? Who's asking?
Murad.
No beta. Aram is asking. Okay, and Murad is setting the wings of that robin. यहाँ देखेंगे आप, एक बार मैं इस लाइन को रिपीट करता हूँ. The farmer went away and I ran over to my cousin Murad's house. मैं तुरंत अपने चचेरे भाई मुराद के घर की तरफ दौड़ चला, बायरो के जाते ही. ठीक, तो यहाँ दिया है he was sitting under a peach tree. वो एक पीच ट्री के नीचे बैठा हुआ था. Trying to repair the hurt wings of a young robin and which could not fly. वो एक यंग छोटे रॉबिन के बच्चे, एक बच्चे को, रॉबिन के बच्चे को वो उसके पंखों को सेट कर रहा था क्योंकि वो घायल था, वो उड़ने में असमर्थ था। ही वॉज टॉकिंग टू द बर्ड, जैसे वो उस पंछी से बात कर रहा हो। देन व्हाट इज इट, ही सेड। आराम इज आस्किंग, ये क्या है? द फार्मर जॉन बायरो, आई सेड। ओके, द फार्मर जॉन बायरो, आई सेड, ही विजिटेड आवर हाउस। मैंने कहा कि जॉन बायरो वो किसान अपने घर आया था। ही वांट्स हिज हॉर्स, यू हैव हैड इट अ मंथ, यू हैव हैड it a month. I want you to promise not to take it back until I learn to ride. जब तक मैं राइडिंग नहीं सीख जाता हूँ, मैं चाहता हूँ कि इसे तुम वापस ना करो. That should be here for 1 month. Then what happened? It will take you a year to learn to ride, my cousin Murad said. मेरे कजिन मुराद ने कहा कि मुझे 1 वर्ष लगेगा सीखने में. We could keep the horse a year, I said. Aram is saying that, is it possible that we will keep it for 1 year? Then my cousin Murad hopped to his feet. उचकते हुए कहता है, what? He roared, are you inviting a member of the Gargolian family to steal? 1 वर्ष तक घोड़े को रखने का मतलब कि हमारा खानदानी बदनामी होगी. गर्गोलियन फैमिली चोरी नहीं करता है. So, are you inviting me or Gargolian family to steal? The horse must go back to its true owner. इसके मालिक को वापस जाना ही चाहिए घोड़े को. When, I said, मैंने पूछा भाई कब? In 6 months at least, he said. At least for 6 months. He threw the bird into the air. The bird tried hard, almost fell twice. पंछी को जो रॉबिन हाथ में लिया था, इसने इसे उड़ा दिया और लगभग गिरने ही वाला था. 1-2 बार ऐसे लगा कि वो रॉबिन गिर जाएगा. गिरा भी, but at last flew away, high and straight. Then early every morning, for 2 weeks, my cousin Murad and I took the horse out of the barn of deserted vineyard where we were hiding it and rode it. Then Aram is saying that I, with my cousin Murad, we used to get a ride on the horse early in the morning each and every day. Where? On what place? Deserted vineyard. In the deserted vineyard, they used to hide the horse there and they used to ride there. And every morning, the horse went. Sorry. Every morning, the horse, when it was my turn to ride alone, leaped over grapevines. Mean, भाई ऑर्डर के अकॉर्डिंग जब मेरा टर्न आता था राइडिंग का, देन आई लिप्ड ओवर ग्रेप वाइन्स. आई लिप्ड ओवर मीन्स आई जम्प्ड ओवर द ग्रेप वाइन्स. then Aram, what he used to do after having jumped the wine area, then what he was doing? Here student, he is saying that every morning, the horse, when it was my turn to ride alone, leaped over grapes, vines, and small trees, and threw me, and ran away. फिर वही बात जैसे फर्स्ट टाइम में हुआ था. आराम प्रॉपर राइडिंग नहीं कर पाया. वैसे ही जैसे ही वो जंप करता था, वाइन यार्ड को जंप करता था और दूसरे छोटे स्मॉल झुरमुट जो थे उनको जंप करता था. मीनवाइल ही फेल डाउन, और वो गिर जाया करता था. नेवरदलेस, स्टिल आई होप्ड इन टाइम टू लर्न टू राइड द वे माय कजन मुराद रॉड. और फिर भी मैं इस बात की आश लगाए बैठा था कि मैं भी राइडिंग सीख जाऊंगा जैसे मेरा कजन मुराद राइडिंग करता था. One morning on the way to Fidvizen's deserted vineyard, that is the name of that place, Fidvizen's deserted vineyard, we ran into the farmer John Viro, who was on his way to town. जॉन बायरो शहर की तरफ नगर की तरफ प्रस्थान ही किए थे, जा रहे थे. Meanwhile we reached there with the horse. Then what happened? Let me do the talking. Let me do the talking, my cousin Murad said. Murad is saying that let me do the talking. मुझे बात करने दो. I have a way with farmers. Mean I have an experience, or I have an experience of behaving or how to talk to a farmer. I know the manner. Who is saying? My cousin Murad is saying. Good morning, John Byro. My cousin Murad said to the farmer. The farmer studied the horse eagerly. Here sense of studied बेटा. Studied से क्या मतलब है यहाँ? Studied the horse mean examined. बड़े ध्यान से निरीक्षण किया उसने घोड़े का. Then what happened there? In the next page. Let's move here. We will find out what happened with the next moment with that horse. Good morning, son, my friends. John Byro is saying in response that good morning, son of my friends. मेरे मित्रों के पुत्र, good morning. What is the name of your horse? My heart. My cousin Murad said in Armenian. In the Armenian language, Murad responded that the name of my horse is my heart. A lovely name, John Byro said, for a lovely horse. एक प्यारे से घोड़े के लिए बहुत प्यारा सा नाम, जॉन बायरो ने कहा. आपने जो नाम इसका रखा कि माई हार्ट, मुराद ने बताया था ना, माई हार्ट मेरे घोड़े का नाम है. सो इट्स अ लवली नेम बिकॉज योर हॉर्स इज रियली lovely and worthy for that name. I could swear it is the horse. I could swear it is the horse that was stolen from the many weeks ago. In belief, he is making belief to the two boys and he is saying that this horse is as if it is mine, which was stolen before a few weeks. May I look it into his mouth? क्या मैं इसके मुंह में देख सकता हूँ? आपने देखा होगा बेटा, कभी कभी एनिमल्स जो बिक रहे होते हैं, अक्सर जो जानने वाले किसान हैं वो जानवरों के मुंह को खोलकर उनके दांत को काउंट करते हैं. दैट इज वन मोर फीचर टू रिकॉग्नाइज वेल. सो हियर John Byro is also getting permission from the both the boys that would I see inside the mouth of this horse? Then Murad is saying, of course, why not? The farmer looked into the mouth of the horse. Tooth for tooth, mean one by one, each and every tooth he observed. He said, I would swear it's my horse. कहता है भाई मैं कसम खा के कहता हूँ कि ये मेरा ही घोड़ा है. It would swear, it would swear it's my horse. कसम से मेरा ही घोड़ा है. Then, if I didn't know your parents, he is saying, it would swear it's my horse. If I did not know your parents, अगर मैं तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स को नहीं जानता होता तो मैं कसम से कहता कि ये मेरा ही घोड़ा है. जॉन बायरो कहते हैं, मैं जानता हूं कि आप जिनके पुत्र हो, आर्मेनियन अल्गेरियन प्रजाति के लोग, ये कभी चोरी नहीं करते हैं. दे आर वेल नोन फॉर देयर ऑनेस्टी. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव सम डाउट. अदरवाइज if I was not knowing about your parents, I would swear that this one particular horse is mine. Then Yet the horse is the twin of my horse. Yet the horse is the twin of my horse. जुड़वा है, लगता है बिल्कुल same to same. A suspicious man would believe his eyes instead of his heart. A suspicious man. They believe on their eyes, not what is there in their heart. Then what happened here, student? Good. Good day, my young friends. Good day. यानी सारे फीचर उनके अपने घोड़े से मैच करते हैं, फिर भी उनको इतना विश्वास कि इस खानदान के लोग चोरी नहीं करते हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाई ही इज नॉट कंप्लेनिंग हियर दैट यू आर थीफ. गुड डे जॉन बायरो, my cousin Murad said. Early the following morning, we took the horse to John Byro's vineyard and put it in the barn. Barn means, student, I had told you what is meaning of barn. Beta, barn. The place where we can store the granaries. खलिहान, you can say. दालान भी कहीं कहीं मिलेगा आपको. Here the place is where we can preserve our granary or crops. The dogs followed us around without making a sound. They were following around them, and without making a sound. That was really a surprisingly moment. The dogs, I whispered to my cousin Murad. I for whom beta, I किसके लिए आया है student here? I. For whom I is used here? Are you getting my voice beta? All of you. Are you getting my voice beta? Student.
Sir, Aram.
Yes, sir.
Good, good. That is used for Aram. Very nice answer beta. He whispered to my cousin Murad. उसने क्या कहा, आराम ने मुराद से क्या कहा? I thought they would bark. वो हमें भौंकेंगे. They would at somebody else. He said. मुराद ने कहा कि वो मुझे नहीं, किसी और पर भौंकेंगे भी तो भौंकेंगे दूसरे पर. I have a way with dogs. मुझे एक्सपीरियंस है कुत्तों के बारे में. He is saying. आप देखेंगे कि वो कितनी जगह पे कहता है कि मुझे एक्सपीरियंस है. I have a way with horse. I have a way with farmers. I have a way with dogs. 3 times ये स्टेटमेंट उसने यूज किया. My cousin Murad put his arms around the horse. घोड़े के गले में हाथ डाले हुए वो ले चल रहा होता है. And pressed his nose into the horse's nose. आपने भी कभी कभी गाय के बच्चों को कभी कभी उसके नोज को हाथ से सहलाया होगा, या दुलार में लोग उसे अपने मुंह को भी सटा देते हैं. सो लाइक दिस ईयर मुराद वाज आल्सो, ही वाज डूइंग सो. हॉर्सेस नोज पैटेड. उसने घोड़े की नाक को थपथपाया और अपनी नाक को उसकी नाक से टच किया, उसको प्यार से थपथपाया. एंड देन we went away. The afternoon John Byro came to our house in his surrey. अपने रथ में जब जॉन बायरो वापस आते हैं अगले दिन दोपहर, तो घर पे आते हैं हमारे, तो क्या होता है? Showed my mother the horse that had been stolen and returned. कि जिसकी चोरी हुई थी और जो वापस कर दिया गया उन्हें. I do not know what to think, he said. The horse is stronger than ever. बट यहाँ जॉन बायरो बताते हैं ममा को कि घोड़ा तो पहले से काफी स्ट्रॉन्गर और चौकस दिखता है, बेटर टेम्पर्ड, फ्यूरियस दिखता है, एक्टिव दिखता है. Then what happened here? He is saying, I thank God. मैं तो भगवान को धन्यवाद कहता हूँ. My uncle Khosrow, who was in the parlor, वो उसी बैठके में बैठे हुए थे, उन्होंने कहा, became irritated and shouted. What he shouted? Quiet man, quiet. अरे बहुत हो गया. Your horse has been returned. तुम्हें तुम्हारा घोड़ा मिल गया. Pay no attention to it. अब इस पर ध्यान न दो. So in this way here, student, this one particular part we have completed, and something related to here, which is related to our exercise, student, what you will have to try to note down. And I hope you all have got the sense of this chapter, and if any problem you should ask, you can ask about that. And one short revision I would like to get once again, student, here of the chapter. Okay, as in the starting we have found that in the leading role, in the role, how many characters are there, beta, in the story? Aram and Murad, two candidates, they are in the leading role. Whether Jan Bairo is there, Khosrow is there, son of Khosrow, and mother of Aram, she is also there. So in the starting, as Aram and Murad were cousins, as you know, Aram was 9 years old, it was informed in the first para, while Murad was 13. Murad was a lively and adventure loving boy, but he was considered crazy. Both were fond of horse riding, Aram and Murad, both. They belonged to the Garagulanian tribe, that is a tribe which is found there in Armenia. They were too poor to buy a horse. What is sense here mean? They were so poor that they could not purchase horse for their riding. But their family was famous for honesty, and they were proud of it. They believed in doing the right things and not cheating anybody. Stealing was unthinkable. They never imagine about that, especially stealing. चोरी तो वो कल्पना भी नहीं कर सकते थे. They were the natives of Armenia. And what happened, student? One summer morning, that is the title of our chapter also, the summer of the beautiful white horse. So, in reference, one summer morning, Murad came to Aram's house and woke him up by tapping on the room window. Aram jumped out of bed and looked out of the window. He saw Murad sitting on a beautiful white horse. He rubbed his eyes to make sure that he was not dreaming. He could not believe that Murad had borrowed the horse, bought or borrowed the horse. It was not believable for Murad because they were poor. The only other way was that he had stolen it, but it was difficult to believe. No member of the family could be a thief. Then Murad told Aram to come out quickly if he wanted to enjoy the horse riding, and Aram was both delighted and frightened. He asked his cousin where from he had stolen the horse, but he got no reply. Evidently, Murad had stolen the horse. Aram was tempted to go for a ride. He told himself that stealing a horse for a ride was not the same thing as stealing money. They were just crazy about horses, They would be guilty of stealing only if they offered to sell the horse. Then Aram put on his clothes as soon as it was possible and sat on a horse back behind his cousin. Behind their house there was the countryside, fruit gardens, irrigation pits, and grapevines. The horse began to trot. Mean slowly he started to walk, and Murad began to sing aloud, not in melodious voice, in his natural voice. So there was a crazy streak in the family which Murad had inherited. Their uncle Khosrow was also lazy. He was furious in nature, irritable and impatient. He did not allow anybody to speak. His pet words were it is not harm, pay no attention to it, as we have gone through right now in the para student. Once his own house was on fire and was at the barber shop, his son, Arak, ran to that shop to tell about the fire. But he, as usual, wrote that it was no harm. Just I have told you, student, when I was explaining about the para. Murad's own father, Zorab, was a very particular man, but Murad was the natural descendant of his uncle. Anyway, the two cousins let the horse run as long as it felt like running. At last, Murad asked Aram to get down. He wanted to ride alone. He said proudly that he had way with a horse. He named this white horse Wazir. At that time, Aram too wanted to ride alone, but he was told to wait. He was given a chance and he had a bad experience. The horse ran off at breakneck speed, mean he was galloping. Aram fell, but the horse continued running. It took them half an hour to find and bring back the horse. Student, what another name Murad has given the name of the horse when he was telling the name of his horse to Mr. Byro? Another name of that horse, student? Next day, beta, we will continue. Thank you. Have a nice day.